right, let's go. Ready? 7 in Iceland. We've been here for a whole week. We've done so many amazing things, seen so many beautiful landscapes, waterfalls, canyons, cliffs, beaches, everything. This morning we woke up and we went back to Dyrholaey Viewpoint, the lighthouse, which is the southernmost point of Iceland. We came back here today because it's completely clear skies, and yesterday it was so foggy we could not see anything. And pulling up here, the parking lot is definitely a lot busier. There are a lot of people here, and I can already see from the parking lot that the views are gonna be insane. You can see on the left side, Fjaðrárgljúfur Beach, the one that we were at yesterday, and on the right side is another black sand beach called Endless Black Sand Beach, I believe. Both beautiful. You can see right out into the ocean. I cannot wait to get some amazing pictures. And little man is sleeping already, even though it's only like 10:30, but I'm gonna let him sleep. Me and Ryan will take turns sitting in the car with the kids and going out and getting some pictures. How was it?
Oh my God, it was one of the most beautiful places I've seen yet.
I'm definitely glad we came back and gave it a second chance when the skies were clear. It is so totally worth it.
It is.
And the parking is free. Parking is free. It's free to walk around, so another great reason to come here. And now we're gonna drive for a while. We're gonna head over to Vatnajökull area, the largest glacier in all of Europe. We're gonna be staying in a hotel near Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon. It's a brand new hotel, just opened a couple months ago. There's not much in the area for Airbnbs or hotels, so wasn't a lot of options, but we'll be taking a boat tour on the Glacier Lagoon there. We were going to do a ice cave tour, but those have been canceled because there was an accident a few weeks ago where someone died when one of them collapsed. So now they're only going to be open in the winter, and it is September now. So we changed that to the Katla Ice Cave, which Ryan and Grandpa did this morning, and they had an amazing time just like we did last night. So we have about 2.5 hours to get to the hotel, but on the way we'll be stopping at a few places that we have marked on the map, maybe some waterfalls, a canyon, and some beautiful viewpoints. So see what we can find on the way, because everywhere we drive, there's something amazing to see.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
If you ever have a chance to come out here, please do.
Yes.
It's worth the money.
Beautiful.
It's expensive out here, but it's worth every penny.
Yeah. Worth it. All right. See where we stop next.
Today we're at Iceland right now. So we're missing Ryan.
Missing Ryan.
And we're gonna be good, but I really want snacks. But I like it. But there's so many people, but he's never gonna come here again. But we are still at Iceland. But I love this game. But the game is there. But I don't know, but I love this. But mommy and Mimi just wanted to be here. And they come back, and I love this.
Oh, honey.
You like it here?
You
like Iceland?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
But we love the cars, but I'm unbuckled.
You're unbuckled, yeah, because we're not driving anywhere. You having a good time on this trip?
Yes, we are.
Yes, okay.
We are gonna be here for a time because we gonna wait for Ryan.
It's Daddy, not Ryan.
Oh, Daddy. We're waiting for Daddy.
Wait, but Daddy's going to look at the views, right?
The views. That's
The
what
views.
he's gonna do.
That's what he gonna do, yeah. I think Daddy's gonna throw up the drone. Is that cool? Daddy loves the drone.
Blow up on a drone?
He's not gonna throw up on the drone. He's gonna throw up the drone.
Blow the drone and put it in the water?
Put it in the water. Nope. It's gonna fly. He's gonna fly it. So the drone is kaput. It didn't sense a metal barrier like it's supposed to and smashed. So no more drone for this trip. But poor baby. So between Vik and Jokulsarlon, which is our next stop for the night, is about a 2.5 hour drive. So we drove to Kirkjubelaster, I think that's how you say it, this place, and we had lunch there, beautiful. And now we're gonna head just 10 minutes away to a canyon that's supposed to be really beautiful, and I have no idea how to say the name. This is the name. So we're gonna go check that out.
We'll see you at the next stop. Bye.
here at the canyon. Beautiful, beautiful. Definitely recommend. 100% worth it. You do have to pay for parking. It's a small fee, but there's no entry fee, and it's a pretty easy walk. She even said it was an easy walk. It's a little bit. I mean, I guess it could be tough if you're like got like problems with your knees and stuff, or I don't know. But it was maybe like 20 minutes. Like if you start at the bottom, go all the way to the end. There's an observation deck with a waterfall. The views are beautiful, and there's no drone restrictions here, which would have been great if Ryan hadn't crashed the drone this morning. So our drone is done. Would have been a great opportunity, but it's still beautiful. Still got some beautiful pictures. So now we're gonna head right down the street to a waterfall. I don't know the name of it, but this is the waterfall. And we'll see if it's nice. And then after that is the end of the day. We'll be heading to our new hotel. And we made it to the waterfall. It's real close to the parking lot. Right over there is the parking lot. Swing it around. Really short path over to the waterfall. So really quick stop. So we finally arrived at Jokulsarlon area of Iceland, the south of Iceland. We are right outside Vatnajökull Glacier. We have just arrived at our hotel for the next 2 nights, and it is so much better than I could have ever imagined. It is beautiful. We're in the perfect room with the best views. I think we have a great chance of seeing the northern lights tonight right from the window. You like the room?
Yes, we love. We're gonna go right over there.
So we have these giant windows with this cute little seating area, right, Isla? Cheese. So there is a mountain, but behind it and over there is Vatnajökull, which is the largest glacier in Europe, the largest glacier in all of Europe. Can see it from here.
And you can see this room.
Beautiful. The perfect little seating area for everybody to try to see the lights. And this room is full of windows. We have windows to this side. You can see this little cute little lake out back of the hotel. And in the back of the hotel, which you can't see, there are hot tubs and saunas. It's a beautiful hotel. They even have a restaurant up the top with beautiful views of the glacier and the mountain as well. There's a beautiful bathroom with a giant tub and shower. Super nice to give you slippers and everything. And we did have them put an extra bed in this room so we can all share the same room because it is very expensive here. We could not afford 2 rooms, unfortunately, but we have a double bed, a sofa bed that pulls out for 2 people, and an extra bed that we had them bring in that we paid for, and then the baby will just share with us. So plenty of room. Mommy, what? Show me. Are you showing me the window? What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? There's a moth. There's buggies out there. Do you see the mountain? Yeah, is it beautiful?
What's that sound?
I don't know.
It's Dad.
So we're gonna enjoy our next 2 nights here. Tonight we're gonna get a little unpacked, go have dinner, and then we may go drive out to the Glacial Lagoon and see if we can watch the Northern Lights there tonight. The forecast isn't looking too great, but it didn't look too great the other night, and we went to sleep. Come to find out, there were tons of Northern Lights in the area. I saw lots of pictures, so pretty upset we missed that last night, but hopefully we can catch some good Northern Lights here tonight. And I'm gonna go to dinner now, so see what we see tonight.
Hi. What is the adventure? We're gonna go on the mountain later.
You want to go on the mountain later? Oh, me too. It's a glacier.
Yeah, glacier. But we just wanna go eat. You might with the other one, but bye.
Bye. All right, it's about 10:30. We are in the car. The kids are in the car. Say hi, kids.
Hi.
Hi. Hold on, baby. And we are gonna just go drive around and see if we can see any Northern Lights. It's a little bit cloudy, but it seems pretty okay. I do see some stars. And the plan is to head to Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon, see if we can find somewhere to park, because I would love to get some amazing shots of the Northern Lights over that lake. So, crossing our fingers that tonight is the night we see something epic. If not, we're still here tomorrow night, so maybe we'll try again then. But Jackie and Stu stay behind. They are enjoying the hotel. They are at the bar. They are outside waiting for the Northern Lights, as they'll have a pretty great view of them as well from the hotel. But we really wanted to see them by the lake. So we're heading out now, see if we